Next, I'm going to select the geometry and create little hands. I'm going to select the arm and I'm going to press the Tab key to go into edit mode. I'm also going to highlight all of the points and press the full stop key on the number pad to focus in. I'm going to click on the viewport just to deselect anything. And I'm going to come over here to the menu on the left. Somewhere down here, you'll spot this icon here, which is a cube with a green line cutting through the center of it. A label should pop up called Loop Cut, also known as Edge Loop. Click on it once to activate the tool, and then hover over the geometry that you've got selected. A yellow line should appear, and when you click on that yellow line, it will cut a new loop through the geometry. I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo that. I'm going to hover over it again, click and hold and drag. That will allow me to move the edge loop around the geometry. This character is going to be wearing a t-shirt, so I'm going to bring it up here and let go of the left click about there. Next, I'm going to come up here to the top left corner and select the face select mode by clicking on it. I need to turn off my edge loop tool, otherwise everything I click on will add edge loops like this. Undo, undo, undo. To turn that off, I'm going to come back up here and click on Select Box. Now that I've done that, I'm going to tell the object that as well as a t-shirt color, I want there to be a skin color down here. Now I could go to the drop-down menu and select skin, but that's going to replace the color that I have up here. So I'm going to go back to the color and select t-shirt. I'm going to add a new color to this shape by pressing the plus key on the right-hand corner. That's added a new blank color to the shape. By dropping down the menu now, I can select skin, and skin will be added to the shape underneath t-shirt. Whichever color is at the top of the list will be the dominant color of the shape. I'm going to leave skin at the bottom. Now I'm going to come back over here, make sure I'm on face mode. I'm going to select a face like this, and I'm going to click on skin. Now that I've got skin open, I can click the assign button, and that will assign the skin color to the face. I'm going to repeat that now by selecting this part of the arm, selecting skin, and pressing assign. Now this part of the arm, selecting skin, pressing assign, and then the hand, selecting skin and pressing assign. The one face I can't get to is hiding behind here, and I can't get to it because it's pressed against his body. To get to the face, come out of edit mode by pressing tab and select your arm. Press the / key on your keyboard, and that will hide every object except the one that you've got selected. You can come around now and find the face that you needed. Press the tab key. Make sure you're on face mode, select the face you want, click on skin, and click assign. You can press the / key again at any point, and that will return all of the geometry that you hid before. That's arm number 1 complete. Now I'm going to repeat those steps on arm number 2. I'm currently in edit mode, so I can't click on anything but the object I had selected at the beginning. I'm going to press tab to go back to object mode, and I'm going to select a different object. I'm going to press tab now to go into edit mode. I'm going to use the edge loop tool, click and drag to put the sleeve on the character. I'm now going to come over to the shape's colors. I'm going to add a new color, come to the drop down list and select skin. Now I'm going to come up to the select mode and select faces. I need to remember to turn the edge loop tool off, otherwise I'll accidentally add edge loops everywhere. So I'll come back up to the top here and click on the select box. I'm going to select that face, click on skin and click assign. I'm going to select that face, click on skin and click assign, select that face, click on skin, assign, and then click on the hand, click on skin and click assign. I'm going to press the tab key to get back to object mode, select my arm, press the / key to hide everything except the arm, press the tab key, select the inside arm face, click on skin, click assign. I'm then going to press the / key again to bring all of the hidden geometry back. Now my Minecraft character has 2 arms with sleeves.